This is perfect for the law of attraction. Now, let's take a deep breath. Close your eyes if you want. The law of attraction teaches us something powerful. Let's start with the structure. Succeed, try, practice, achieve. Hello everyone. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. I'm very happy to see you again. Today's lesson 4 of our series, Learn English with the Law of Attraction. In this lesson, we will learn a very powerful English structure, I will plus verb. We use this to talk about the future and to talk about our intentions and goals. This is perfect for the law of attraction. Because when you say, I will, you send a strong message to the universe. Let's start with the structure. I will verb. Will does not change. The verb stays in the base form. Examples: I will learn, I will try, I will practice, I will succeed. Repeat after me slowly. I will learn. I will try. I will practice. I will succeed. Good. Let's continue. Here are some useful words for our future goals. Succeed, try, practice, achieve. Repeat after me. I will succeed. I will succeed. I will try. I will try. I will practice. I will achieve my goals. The law of attraction teaches us something powerful. What you say and believe today creates your tomorrow. So when you say, I will, you are sending a clear intention. Let's see some examples. I will improve my English. I will attract success. I will become confident. I will speak English fluently one day. Repeat with me. I will improve my English. I will attract success. I will become confident. I will speak English fluently one day. Now let's practice together. Listen and repeat. I will learn English every day. I will speak English with confidence. I will think positive thoughts. I will focus on my goals. I will become better and better. Excellent. Keep going. Now, let's take a deep breath. Close your eyes if you want, and let's say these positive affirmations together. I will improve my life. I will attract good things. I will take action. I will trust myself. I will succeed. Very good. Your words have power. Now, complete these sentences in your mind. Think of your answers and say them out loud. Great job today! You learned how to use the simple future tense with I will to attract success and confidence into your life. Remember, your future starts with your words. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. I will see you in the next lesson. Stay positive, stay focused, and keep speaking English every day.
I will succeed.